Wow, guys, we're playing with rice. Yeah, guys, come and join us. Whoa. Rice. Wow, look at this brown rice. Oh, it feels very grainy, doesn't it? Oh, it sure does. Look, it's going on my head. Oh, this is fun. Wow. I'm gonna get the other shapes. Oh, what's gonna happen? Oh, thanks, guys. Come on, guys, join. Okay, I'll have a turn. I mean, it's just raw. Oh, yes, it's very grainy rice. Where's Triangle? He hasn't had a turn yet. I better go try find him. Oh, thanks, guys. I'm having so much fun with rice. Oh, it feels so grainy and it's small and it's a lot of fun. Oh, you guys come and join. Come on. I'm here. Oh, you don't forget about me. Oh, and me too, the blue square. Oh. Rain, go away, come back another day. Oh, this is a great idea, guys. Yeah, I know. Something different. I think they call it sensory play. Oh, what's that? When you explore with different textures and feelings. Ooh, I like that. Yeah. Oh. Hey, Triangle. Yes, Square. I'm hungry. Let's eat. It's lunchtime. Oh, yum. Oh, yum. Oh, so delicious. Oh, what about me? Can I have some, please? Yum. Oh, wow, that was great. Oh, can I have some more, please? That was delicious. Yum. Yum. Come, guys, let's draw in the rice. Let's pat it down. What shape am I drawing? I think it's me, triangle. Yeah, it sure is. 3 sides make a triangle. Let's pat it down again. What else can we draw? Oh, good try drawing a circle there. That's great. There we go, round and round. Let's try another one. What do you want to try? Pat the rice. I don't know yet. What should we do? Pat the rice, pat. Let's draw a square. Oh, good try. Let's try the square again. Square. Oh, you can always make your own shapes up. Pat the rice, pat. Rectangle. Great try. Let's do a rectangle. Yep, that's a rectangle. Wow. Should we try another rectangle? Yeah, let's do it. Rectangle. Oh, that's great. Good job, guys. guys, that was so much fun. I really enjoyed that activity. Yeah, me too. Wee. So fun. Yeah, I really enjoyed doing something a little bit different, like playing with rice. We had so much fun too, us little shapes. Triangle, square, circle and rectangle. Yeah, so much fun. Grainy rice. Yeah, guys, you had a lot of fun? Yeah, we did. Oh, that's great. Oh, well, see you guys. Oh, guys, I'm glad you joined us for sensory fun today. Oh, you could try all sorts of things at home too. Even a bowl full of buttons or pasta, even flour. You could try anything with the help of your mummy or daddy, or even your bigger brother or sister. Oh well, guys, I'm off too. See you next time for another adventure. Oh, guys, I'm coming. Yeah, don't forget to join us next time on some more fun. We had so much fun. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Oh well, I wonder what we'll get up to next time. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, me too. Always a lot of fun with that shake. Yeah, I know. Oh well, see you guys.